like nausea is a very common thing which I think we all are aware of.
Yeah.
So what are these symptoms? Because you're clearly specifying that there are a lot of changes which a woman will feel. So what are those symptoms which or signs which come with early stages of pregnancy?
Yeah. So first thing that most women would come to us is that they've missed a period.
Right.
Okay, so so naturally whenever the egg is released, if there is no pregnancy happening, the lining gets shed and the period comes. Now, if there is a pregnancy, then the lining will keep on growing and form the placenta, which is going to nourish the baby. So that's the commonest thing that we come with. Now, the symptoms depend really on what state of physical and mental and emotional state the woman is when she is pregnant. Okay, so many times this nausea symptom, which is chemically it is related to a pregnancy hormone, which is beta HCG. As the levels rise, there is a bit of nausea with that. But there is also a theory where it is kind of whether the woman is well, connected to the thought of being pregnant.
Okay.
So nausea it signifies kind of a rejection.
Oh.
So if you're not emotionally connected with that idea, you will try to. So nausea rejects something from the body. And also it is a protective mechanism for the baby so that the woman doesn't take anything which is toxic inside. So it's another way of, like a woman will reject many foods because maybe they are not good for the woman when she's pregnant. So that is another kind of explanation.
When she looks at it,
for the
does she
nausea.
like having it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So there's a lot of emotional connect behind all these symptoms. So a person who has planned a pregnancy, is expecting it, is well tuned, may not experience nausea at all.
That is, I wish I was aware of this.
That is a
Because,
possibility.
yeah, that whole idea of your thought process is rejecting the pregnancy is like, yeah. So I hope you all beautiful.
So it's
pregnant
not
ladies
like
realize this
rejection, but
emotion
it's
part.
somewhere
Yeah.
subconsciously into
Yeah,
that you're not
exactly.
yet,
Yeah.
comfortable with that idea,
for
or
it,
that is
But see,
another
this
thing.
is so knowledgeable to understand for a woman who's planning her pregnancy or is already pregnant, because your emotional state can actually control your symptoms and lead you toward a better this health and journey, like, which is more enjoyable. Like, this is an amazing.
Yeah. So the other thing which happens, which I said, that the circulatory system is expanding. So there is more blood flow to all the organs, especially in the reproductive organs. So there's some discomfort in the urinary region.
Okay.
Some discomfort in the breast because all those organs are now being supplied with more blood flow. So a woman is very, kind of aware of her body. These are the early signs that she can make out, like, that breast tingling, a little bit discomfort in the vagina. And of course, many of the other signs, the doctor would diagnose them by during examination.
Right.
So, and of course, other thing is that because now there is an extra load on the system, tiredness or feeling fatigued, that is a common symptom in early pregnancy.
Okay.
So usually the first few weeks, these are the things that we see more commonly.
And are they also related to the hormonal changes which are happening in the body?
Yes, hormonal changes also, because as the pregnancy needs to grow, there is a hormone called as progesterone, right? Okay, the secretions, suddenly the levels are very high and the uterus needs to relax, all the smooth muscles relax.
Right.
So that kind of accommodates the pregnancy. Also, the immune system needs to take a back seat because we know that the baby is half coming from the paternal side.
Right.
So it is like a foreign body in the mother's body. So the immune system also goes little low to accept the pregnancy. So there are a lot of hormonal changes happening to adapt, and they can give rise to some of the symptoms.